In this episode, we are tearing down the Leke 318 engine. Regarding this engine, it is a reverse-engineered Honda Forza 350 engine. So, can it really be a budget substitute for it? Let's dismantle it to check the quality of its components and see if there's any gap compared to the Forza 350. Many comments asked to see the Leke 318, which shows a lot of people are interested in this bike. Its actual displacement is the same as the Forza 350. Both are 330 cubic centimeters. Let's look at the front drive pulley. It's from Jinan FCC, Hongzhou. The Forza 350 uses Japan's FCC. Now let's look at the rear driven pulley. It's also from Jinan FCC. FCC is a brand from our Taiwan province, with a factory located in Jinan. The belt is from Gates, USA. The belt is a double-sided cogged belt. We need to weigh the variator rollers to see if there's a weight difference from Honda's rollers. If the weight is different, then the transmission tuning style will be different. The weight is 23 grams. Exactly the same as the Forza 350. In terms of transmission, FCC and FCC are actually quite similar. You see, Suzuki and Yamaha prefer using FCC components. There's a reason why Honda uses FCC, Japan, as Honda is one of FCC's shareholders. Let's look at the tensioner. This Leke 318 also uses a hydraulic tensioner. Because this Leke 318, just like the Forza 350, uses a 2x3 timing chain. To ensure the lifespan of a 2x3 chain, a hydraulic tensioner is essential. After all, a 2x3 timing chain might not last as long as a 3x4 one. The cylinder head is the same as Honda's, a SOHC 4-valve structure, and it uses roller rocker arms. This is a 1:1 match with Honda. Let's check the bearings. The bearings are also a 1:1 match with Honda. All from TPI, Bahuan. Non-standard bearings. So, informing all Forza 350 owners, your cylinder heads are effectively the same. If yours is broken, you can just buy the one from the 318. These are hairy roller rocker arms. These rocker arms are no worse than Honda's originals. Even Honda and Haojue are using hairy rocker arms. The camshaft also has a decompression valve with a bearing on one side. Let's look at the cylinder block. This cylinder block also uses a centrifugally cast steel sleeve. The casting brand is also 4-point Shibei, and Honda uses the same brand. So Forza 350 owners, you can use the same cylinder. Let's look at the piston. The piston is entirely coated with molybdenum disulfide. The piston brand is Shandong Zhengting. The Forza 350 doesn't use Zhengting pistons, but other Honda models do use them. The piston is also a direct substitute. Check the piston rings. These are Shandong ATG rings. The first compression ring has a manganese phosphate treatment, making it black. I confirmed this with ATG. The second ring uses an oxidation process. Does this piston ring look red to you? It's the same color as the ones in the Wuling engines. This is said to be oxidized. Alright, turning it over to continue the teardown. Actually, I think Forza 350 owners should be quite happy right now. Not for anything else, but at least if your engine has issues, you can find cheap and high-quality substitute parts. It's a true substitute. You could say Honda's tuning is unparalleled. But Honda's material quality is very easy to catch up with. You have to admit that. Now dismantling the magneto side. Everything here is also completely interchangeable, including the fuel pump screws. They are exactly the same, even with the reverse thread. Since you've watched this far, please give this video a like, my friends. Let's look at the timing chain. The timing chain is the same as the Forza 350. It's a Borg-Warner reinforced chain. As you can see, almost whatever. The Forza 350 uses. This Leke 318 uses as well. I heard the chief engineer of Jinlang came from Honda. Look at the crankshaft bearings, shells. These shells are a bit hard to remove. They appear to be from DAIDO, Japan. You can recognize DAIDO shells at a glance. Look at the balancer shaft. The Forza 3501 looks identical, also with the scissor gear structure. Now look at the crankshaft. Look at this seam here. It's quite wide, which means it's forged. Just like the Forza 350. If that part was processed, it might be hard to tell. But you can tell by looking right here. As for the crankshaft brand, it is from Jiangsu Gangyang. No different from the Forza 350 crankshaft. Look at the connecting rod bearings. The rod bearings are also the same type. Also from DAIDO, Japan. Again, identical to the Forza 350. We must also check the gearbox. There's not much to see inside except for the bearings. Same as the Forza 350. It also uses TPI, Bahuan, bearings. Alright, teardown complete. Regarding the quality of this engine, it can basically serve as a substitute for the Honda Forza 350. Many components are sourced from the same suppliers. As for this crankshaft, a Forza 350 crankshaft costs over 2,000 renminbi. Next time someone's crankshaft breaks, I suggest trying this one from the Leke 318. There is no difference in quality. And the transmission is from FCC. It's on par with FCC, Japan. If you have transmission issues, you can also try this FCC one. Now that this teardown video is out, Forza 350 owners will be happy. And Leke owners will likely be happy too. It's a win-win. Thank you all for watching.